Jack, what do you think's in that box in front of you?
It's Minions.
Oh yeah, we kind of already do that. But it was fun to open the box anyway. Pull it out. Wow, bring that here.
It's flying.
Yes, it came flying at us. Look what we've got. We've got a Play-Doh Despicable Me Minion set. This looks like some sort of barber's chair. I remember this kind of thing from when I was a kid. Okay, Jack, are you ready to open this?
Yes! Let's do it right here.
Okay. Okay, Jack, let's open this up. Hand it to Daddy.
Yeah! Let's do it together. Okay?
Oh, it's got some tape. What do you think we need to open this?
Scissors.
Yeah, but... Oh, we could pull it open anyway.
I got Play-Doh.
Okay.
Minions. And there's all this. We gotta dump it out.
Alright, that's how we open things around here.
I got my scissors.
Nice.
And
Can we show everybody? We've got some pieces here. We've got Play-Doh. I'm going to open this up while Jack brings the Minions over. Can you bring the Minions over?
let's open it.
Bring it over here by the camera, Jack.
Let's open
Minions! 2 of them.
and a toothbrush.
What color is this Minion?
Yellow. You can
Whoa. What color is this Minion?
purple.
Yeah, I don't know if I've ever seen a purple Minion before.
But we're gonna put this of purple Play-Doh.
Okay, let's get started. Here we are, guys, at Jack's Play-Doh table. You can see, like,
I got scissors.
Chomper over here. Yes, Jack, you finally have scissors. Okay, so we've got the chair set up. I think this is how it goes. This set didn't come with instructions.
Yellow Play-Doh.
Yellow Play-Doh? Okay, let's open it up.
See, we can put it in here. Over here.
Okay, look at this, guys. Fresh Play-Doh. Jack, what does Daddy like to do with fresh Play-Doh?
You have Play-Doh.
Smell it? Do you want to smell it?
I gotta take it out.
Yeah, we're just going to take it out. Wow. Okay, let's hold that up. Put the Play-Doh inside of the Minion. Bless you. It's in tight.
Biatula.
Alright, stuff that Minion.
Stuff that. So I need some help.
You need some help? Okay, let Daddy help you. Ooh, squish it in there.
Squish, squish, squish.
Okay,
Dada.
our Minion's full.
Our Minion's full.
Okay, now I think what we do is we attach him to the chair.
I know. No.
Yeah.
No. We mold him.
No. You put him to the chair.
And then we
And then you're going to squish him down. Ready? Watch your hand. Hold on to the side of the chair. Can you do that? And now let's watch his hair grow. Wow!
It's like a Minion.
That is a crazy haired Minion. Do you want to comb his hair or cut it?
Yeah.
Here's the comb.
Cut his hair. It won't hurt.
Oh, I don't think the Minions hurt. Let's check out Jackie's hairstyle. Wow. This Minion is going to have a comb over. Interesting styling.
Oh.
Cool.
Oops.
Look, guys, we're going to try this one more time. Okay, Jack, watch how you do this. You put it in. Okay.
Then put him on chair.
Yep, remember you got to slide him into the groove. See that groove? Ooh, almost. Oh, watch your finger. Watch your finger. There we go. Now put him on the chair. Squeeze. Here comes the hair.
We don't want to cut his hair.
Look at him.
He's off. Now we gotta make his chin of this orange Play-Doh.
Well, guys, we're going to let Jack keep playing here. Hope you enjoyed checking out this toy real quick.
A yellow Play-Doh.
This is our very first Minions toy, and so I have a feeling Jack is going to have a great time. Alright guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like updates on when we make new videos. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thumbs up.
That's right, Jack.
Hi kids. We got a box with minions inside, and click the button that says subscribe for DVDs, and click a thumbs up down here of video.
Wow, Jack.